Assalamualaikum and good day to everyone. Honorable teachers, respected guests and my dear friends. I am Jidan, a proud student of the Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering at Daffodil International University. Think about your morning. You many have switched on a light, used a fan or checked your phone. All these things work because of electricity. That is why electrical and electronic engineering or EEE is so important. It helps make our daily life easy and better. Many people think EEE is only about wires and circuit, but it is much more. That EEE is helping to construct renewable energy, electric cars, smart homes, robots and modern communication system. It is shaping the future. At Daffodil International University, we learn both theory and practical work. In our labs, we construct circuit, solve problem, and learn from our mistake. Every class and every project helps us become better engineer and better problem solvers. My dream is to use that I learned to help my country. I want to work on new idea that can solve energy problem and improve people's lives. I believe every EEE student has the power to make a positive change. In the end, engineering is not only about getting a degree, it is about learning, working hard and never giving up. Let us continue to learn, create new ideas and construct a brighter future and together. Thank you everyone for listening.